Hi children, how are you today? Hope you are keeping good. And now, finally, we came to the end of our capital cursive letters. You have been studying so long, small letters and capital letters, and this class will be the last class on your alphabet from V to Z. So, you are eager to learn the final line which is in your worksheet, right? Are you waiting to learn it in worksheet number 7? Yes. Let's not waste time. Let's get started, right? Yep. Now, to begin with, here we have the first letter, that is V. It starts from between the second and the first line, it goes up, slanting line it comes here and goes up to the first line back. It's so simple. Its chest starts here, in between the first and second line, it goes up to the first, comes back to the third, and in a slanting way, it goes up to the first letter back. After V, what do we have? Just recollect. Is it Z? No. What else it is? V, then W. Right. You said it right. So, it starts in between the first and the second line. Slanting way, it goes up down to the third line. Goes like this in a curved way, just like U. And then again, it's just like 2 times you are writing U, right? So, let's try again. It starts here, it goes up here, U, then comes like this and goes up back to the third line. You are writing and joining another U for it. V, W, and the next letter. Can you guess it? It will be like 2 C's are mixed together. Can you guess? Yes, that is right, my little ones. It is X. It starts on the third line. It goes back to the third. Then again, without lifting your pencil, we will go back to the second line. And this time, we are going to take a curve to the right. Then again, come back without lifting your pencil. Back to the third line again. Let's write it once. Let it be a bit slow here. Okay. So, you started on the second line, you take a curve, a C, like it's a reverse C. Then you go back till the second line. When you go to the second line, you will try to turn it towards the right side of U, which becomes a C. Can you see here? This is one C facing your right. And this is another C reverse which is facing towards your left. Both joined together, it is made as X. So, we have V, we have W, we have X, and the next word we have is Y. It starts on the second line, it goes up to the first and all the way it comes to the third and goes up back. And again you have to pull it over to the fourth and then bring a curve and a small tail on the third line. So, let's write once again. So, it starts on the second line, it goes up to the first, it comes down like U, then like U again it comes down to the third line, but it doesn't stop there, it goes to the fourth line, curve and takes up to the place between second and the third line. V, W, X, Y, and the last letter of the alphabet, Z. Yes, that's right. A to Z we write. So, last is Z, zebra. We are going to write this word. It starts in between the first and the second, a small line. Then you go up like this slight curve. You come all the way to the third line. Take a big curve and then you write it, taking that curve towards the third line. Let's try once again. Slanting line between first and second, a small curve, then you'll come down a slanting line straight to the third line, take a big reverse C and then bring it out. So we have V, W, X, Y and Z. My little ones, are you ready with your letters? Hope you understood and you have been practicing, right? So from the next class, we are going to have some words. These words, using the cursive strokes, cursive formation, we are going to make you to practice certain words which you can write, and we also will give you how to use those words in simple sentences of your daily life. So this helps you to improve your vocabulary where you can speak a better English. So when you use these words, when you learn them, just by heart these words according to the proper sounds, that is according to proper pronunciation, so that you will be able to read better, you will be able to speak better, and you will be able to communicate wherever you go in good English. Okay then, see you for today. Have a good time. Bye-bye.